Martin Lewis, the winner of the Smart Car Parade earlier today. We've got 124 as well. That is an addition to the programme. 124, and well, that's a very big addition actually. Wonder who that is. Rings a bell. Mark Bolden doing his second lap, and maybe that will be it. On the back straight there, Stuart Ahern in car number 100 and 992. That's Ollie Rutherford, I think, in 124, and 992. Another extra one for this particular race. Hold the race, please, marshals. Hold the race, please. Hold the race, please. With our first driver interviewer, and this is, of course, the rather handsome, ugly git, Dean Wood. Dean, great to see you here again today. That was a bit of a surprise, you moving over to PRI a couple of months ago. Is there a story behind that?
No, not really. I've not fell out with nobody or nothing like that. I've been touring around the grass track for a while, and I just fancy giving Arena a go now.
Were you surprised with the success that you had a few weeks ago at the marathon meeting?
Yeah, I was like glad to get things like that, and that straight away gets a lot of pressure up here on that, but I like it. The competition is good, the atmosphere is good. I just like it here at the moment. I'll be here again next year.
Well, we'll look forward to that, and what's your thoughts about today? I mean, this has got to be the biggest banger meeting in the country ever, and you're here with a Jag. Any predictions?
Get as many grass track people as I can, really.
By that you mean stuff them?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks very much, Dean Wood. With Don West, or Dizzy D, as he's become known over the last few years. Don, I have to congratulate you on this absolute beauty. Just tell us what it is.
It's a Vandam class, Princess, 4 litre, straight titanium.
And I see that they're putting the finishing touches now, meticulous as ever with the preparation. Is it going to go?
I hope so. It's going to go in another motor. I've got no brakes on it, but it'll stop somehow.
So you know what? Right, so the one in front could be in trouble. And just tell us, I mean, where do you find something like this? I mean, this is absolutely wonderful piece of machinery.
Well, the bloke that actually was asked for spares of town, he belongs to the Freemasons Club, and we heard it for a great one and paid a lot less for it.
But you still paid a few quid.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah.
And that is the beauty of bang racing, worth it for the glory today. Well, there are going to be thousands of fans here, and may I join with them in wishing you good luck. And remember, Grand Parade's in 15 minutes. Make sure we have a good look at it before you slaughter it.
By the way, the visitors are going to need a lot. Not us.
Dizzy D makes the start line. Retard Roy in trouble, and oh my word, 657 is Jack. That lovely old Wolseley 1660, and 720 gets a big head on there from 751. Mega blitzing all around the circuit, 464, 725. 577, 98. 91 and 96. Those are the leaders. Oh my word. And oh, what a tremendous hit there by 285, Nutty Norman, pushing 851 into 726. This is hard, and Nutty Norman does another one. He's taking no prisoners. And 851 is completely jacked. 98 goes second. The leader's been spun. One or two bent cars as Dave Barwick lines up the 91 car. Oh, and Barwick jacked up the hearse on turn 1. And still the wrecking goes on. 464 and 577, the leading pair. One, two, four, Ollie Rutherford tries to rejoin, having not made the start. 96, Kevin Wilshire up into third place. Look at 085. Well, he didn't half use that well, didn't he? Nutty Norman He buried a few with that one. 477, Andy Wallace takes out 577, Meg Grant. 91, Barwick turned it round. 249, Mark Bolden has been jacked. And Wilshire goes straight through the side of Meg Grant. And now, well, we thought Kevin Wilshire was going to come round in the lead that time, but it's not to be. Could be a last car running job, this one. They've all turned it round. So, who is going to win this one? 577, the leader in second. 464, the leader. Heavy Metal Wrecking on turns 3 and 4. Oh, and Mark Bolden annihilates the Motley Crew. 96, Kevin Wilshire still third, despite taking a lap off. And the leader's been taken out head-on by the Gladiator, the Majestic Daimler. And the leader's about to get jacked by Boland. And again, 464, Jock Parker having a rough ride. 464, Jock Parker in the lead. He's halfway there as Boland wipes him all over the Armco. 96 Wilshire destroys, no, it was 90 Wilshire, destroying the Gladiator. 464, the leader, crawling round turns 1 and 2. That is the leader car. 249, oh! Through. Mark Bolden straight through. Meg Grant. 237, Jamie Mitchell crawling round. 96, Kevin Wilshire crawling round. 464, Jock Parker, still with a lap to play with, would you believe? 249, Mark Bolden in serious danger. And Jock's been taken out by Barry Wilshire this time. Here comes Kevin Wilshire. Watch out, Jock! Ooh! 237, Jamie Mitchell is now second, Bob. And if Jock doesn't get it going, he will be the leader. So Wilshire's destruction show continues down there with the rest of the new Suicide Squad members. Safety in numbers, eh? 249, Polo up to third. Kevin and Barry still running, 90 and 96. But Kevin Wilshire was slightly damaged steering, it would seem. And now there are 5 laps to go for 237, Jamie Mitchell, the race leader. Where's he going? .237, the leader. 249 in second place. Second place, Bob, 249. And they're on the same lap. Mark Bolden, who has got stuck in. 4 laps to go for those two. Who are we trying to kid? 96 with no steering is also in a place here in third place. And 237 takes a head on from number 90. I think we... And here comes Polo! Watch out, Jamie! Oh! Style and fashion! Here comes Barry! Oh! Here comes Kevin! .237, Jamie Mitchell struggling here. It looks like it's going to be last car running for this third banger heat this afternoon. Safety in a Daddy Part 2, it says Barry Wilshire, and Barry Wilshire started the bonfire display already. Nice bonfire, Barry. So, who's still running? Barry Wilshire is on fire. 249, Mark Bolden is still running. Bob, Jamie Mitchell's out. Kevin Wilshire's limping. Get the checkered flag out. The winner of this third heat coming around now for the checkered flag. Let's have a big cheer for him down the back straight because he did some great wrecking. 249, Mark Bolden is the winner. Cheer him down the back straight. Cheer him round the pit bend. 249, Polo Bolden wins the third banger heat. Here he comes now. That is what you call a banger race. Provided by our friends from Canterbury in Kent again, and more details about that in a moment. But right now, a real banger race being won by a real banger racer, 249, the survivor, Mark Bolden.